Save $500 fast. If your bank account feels like it's disappearing faster than you can earn, you're not alone. Most people don't realize how small daily habits quietly drain hundreds of dollars every single month. The good news is you don't need a high income or extreme lifestyle changes to fix it. You can realistically save $500 faster than you think, and it starts with a few smart decisions. First, understand where your money is actually going. Most people guess, and that's the biggest mistake. Open your bank app and look at your last 7 days. Not last month, just the last 7 days. You'll immediately notice patterns. Small payments, food orders, subscriptions, random purchases. These don't feel big in the moment, but together they add up fast. Awareness alone can change your behavior because now you're making decisions instead of reacting. Now here's the first powerful step. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Streaming services, apps, memberships you don't use regularly. Even canceling 2 or 3 of these can save you $50 to $100 instantly. Most people keep paying for things they forgot about. Go into your subscriptions right now and cancel anything you haven't used in the last 2 weeks. You can always resubscribe later if you truly need it. Next, stop impulse buying. This is where most money disappears. Every time you feel like buying something online, pause for 24 hours. Add it to your cart, but don't check out. You'll be surprised how many things you don't actually need after a day. This one habit alone can save you hundreds of dollars without feeling like you're sacrificing anything. Food is another big one. Ordering food regularly is one of the fastest ways to lose money. Instead, cook at home more often. You don't have to be perfect. Even replacing 3 or 4 takeout meals per week with home-cooked meals can easily save over $100. The same goes for coffee. Making your own coffee instead of buying it daily can save you $50 or more every month. Now let's make saving automatic. Every time you receive money, move a small portion immediately into savings. Don't wait. Even if it's just 10 or 20%, do it instantly. This creates a system where saving becomes normal, not optional. You stop relying on leftover money, because let's be honest, there's usually nothing left at the end of the month. Try the simple cash or jar method. Take a small amount of cash every few days and put it aside. It might feel small at first, but consistency is what builds results. Watching your savings grow physically can actually motivate you to keep going. It makes the process real and visible. Another powerful method is the envelope system. Divide your money into categories like food, transport, and personal spending. When one envelope is empty, that category is done for the week. This builds discipline without complicated tools. You start making smarter decisions because you have clear limits. If you want to reach $500 even faster, consider adding a small side income. This doesn't mean working all day. Even simple online tasks, freelancing, or selling unused items can bring extra cash. Many people have things at home they no longer use. Selling just a few items can instantly boost your savings. Also, reduce small daily expenses that feel harmless. Snacks, drinks, quick purchases. These seem insignificant, but they repeat every day. Cutting just $5 a day saves you $150 a month. That alone gets you almost a third of the way to your goal. Now here's something important. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick 3 to 4 habits and focus on them. Consistency beats intensity every time. Small actions done daily will always outperform big actions done once. Another smart move is to set a clear short-term target. Instead of just saying you want to save money, decide exactly how much you want to save this week. For example, aim to save $50 in the next 7 days. Breaking your goal into smaller targets makes it easier to stay motivated and track your progress. You can also use the concept of no-spend days. Choose 1 or 2 days each week where you don't spend any money at all. No online shopping, no takeout, no unnecessary purchases. This simple habit trains your mind to control spending and helps you reset your financial behavior. Environment matters more than willpower. If you constantly see ads, deals, and promotions, you're more likely to spend. Unsubscribe from promotional emails, turn off shopping app notifications, and clean up your digital space. When temptations are reduced, saving becomes easier without effort. Another effective technique is to use cash instead of cards for certain categories. When you physically hand over money, you feel the impact more. This naturally reduces overspending because you become more aware of each transaction. Reward yourself the smart way. Saving money doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. Set a small reward when you reach milestones. For example, when you save your first $100, treat yourself in a controlled way. This keeps you motivated without breaking your progress. Now let's go deeper. One powerful mindset shift is to start asking yourself a simple question before every purchase. Do I really need this, or am I just reacting to a feeling? Most unnecessary spending is emotional, not logical. When you pause and question your decision, you regain control instantly. Another strategy is to create a visual goal. Write down $500 on a piece of paper and track your progress daily. Each time you save money, update the number. This creates a sense of achievement and keeps you focused. Visual progress is a strong motivator because it makes your effort feel real. You can also optimize your fixed expenses. Call your service providers and ask for better deals. Many companies offer discounts if you simply ask. Whether it's your internet bill, phone plan, or insurance, a quick call can save you money without changing your lifestyle. Timing also plays a role. Avoid shopping when you're bored, stressed, or tired. These are the moments when you're most likely to make poor decisions. Instead, plan your purchases in advance. When you shop with a clear mind and a list, you spend less and buy only what you actually need. Surround yourself with the right influence. If you constantly see people spending and showing off, it can affect your mindset. Follow content that promotes smart money habits, saving, and financial growth. Your environment shapes your behavior more than you think. As your savings grow, you'll start to feel more in control. Less stress, more confidence, better decisions. That's the real benefit. It's not just about money, it's about freedom and peace of mind. Imagine opening your bank account and seeing extra money instead of stress. Imagine not worrying about small expenses. Imagine having the ability to handle unexpected situations without panic. That's what these habits create over time. The truth is, saving money isn't about restriction. It's about awareness, control, and smart choices. Once you understand that, everything changes. You stop feeling like money is slipping away and start